In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can share your workbook so that way it can be embedded into blogs or websites, for example. So first, make sure the workbook is uploaded to be in Excel online. Now, from here, you're going to want to click on File, you will click on Share, and you're going to want to click on Embed this workbook. Where here you will see a bunch of settings as to one, what you want to embed, and two, how you want it to appear. So first, what you want to show. It defaults to be the entire workbook, but you can have it be a specific range, charts, tables, and pivot tables. Note with the preview kind of showing up to the right here. I'm just going to click on entire workbook for this example. You can adjust how the information is shown, so you can hide the grid lines or not have them hidden. You can hide row and column headers or not hide them. You can also include or exclude a download link, so people may or may not be able to download your workbook. You can make it to where people can sort and filter the data or not. By clicking on this box, people can sort and filter it. You can let people type into the cells, which will not be saved in the workbook, and you can even have it started a specific cell whenever people go to the workbook. And note you can have this box checked and then kind of just easily select the cell that's started. Whenever people click the workbook, you can adjust the dimensions, so how large and wide in pixels the workbook will be once it's on your website, and it will then kind of produce this code that you can then use to put in your website. And you can also even have it open in Excel, so that way people can download the workbook and use it in their native Excel. Hope you found this to be helpful, and if you did, please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.